In prime time news tonight.
They're of the view that the National Identification and Registration Act is to be declared null and void and of no legal effect.
Government considers next move after Supreme Court rules National Identification and Registration Act null and void. Victory for democracy. Opposition reacts to NID's ruling.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, labor issues at telecommunications company Flow are still in the spotlight, with the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, BITU, now escalating the matter to the ministerial level. I'll give you the details in the financial week.
And from Herman to Jordan Fort with the latest in sports.
Yes, Archie. Well, one Jamaican Winter Olympian has gotten the green light to resume her career after a doping violation. I'll tell you about that and much more in Primetime Sports Friday.
We also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling at the NIDS Act is null and void?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.